So we have some wireless headphones that were sent to me from Soul Republic. So first of all, Soul Republic, thank you for sending these out for me to test. These are the AMPS Air Plus. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a read at what Soul Republic themselves are saying about these, and then I will say what I think about them. So these are obviously from Soul Republic, and they are the AMPS Air Plus. In-ear headphones, active noise cancelling, wireless earphones, 7 hours playtime and 24 hours with charging case. They are sweat-proof and IPX5 rating. They're in black. Obviously these ones are in black. I'm not sure if there's any other colours. So that's what that's sad about them. Now obviously I'm going to undo them. We're going to have a look inside, see what we're going to get inside the box. But I just want to show you Soul Republic's other line of products, because they have released these AMPS Air. There was an Ampere 1 and there was the Ampere 2. The Ampere 1 is currently on sale on Amazon for £90, or you can get ones with a little gold end, and now £108. The AMPS Air 2 on £99 on Amazon, available in black. The Ampere Plus, it's not the Ampere 3, it's the Ampere Plus. These are £179. So these are a lot more expensive. I was just reading that off my phone. These are a lot more expensive than the Ampere 1 and the Ampere 2. The Ampere 1s and 2 are pretty much the same price. They're in that £100 category. The Ampere Plus, these you're talking £179.99. So it's almost double. Is it going to be worth it? I don't know really, because I ain't got the other pairs to test it against. But what I can go on are these actually any good for the value of money? We can look at that. So there we go, I've pulled the tape off and now we can slide these out. Totally wireless freedom, reinvented. It's like grey on white on grey, so it might be hard to pick up the writing. I can only apologise about the colour of my table. So this looks like it's going to open up here. Oh, it's a nice unboxing experience. So inside there, they're just telling you how I think to connect them, pair them, etc. It's all in the inside of the box. There's your case. Right there. Oh, that's a nice case. It says Soul Republic on it. Feels like the top part's metal and the bottom part's plastic. There is some quality about the feel of this case. There's obviously some little LEDs that light up there when you open it up, but there is some nice quality to this. Looks like we've got USB type C charging port there. When you shake it, it's not pinging open. Now these were really nice. We've got a button here, that might be the pair button. That's a really nice case. Credit where credit's due. Let's see what else we're going to get in the box. Just double checking. You have to be careful with some of these boxes to make sure you get everything you're supposed to get. But that's just a bit of foam there. There's nothing else in there. You've got some, what are these, like quick start? So you've got a quick start guide. You've got a sticker. Welcome to the Republic. And you've got warranty information. All seem pretty much straightforward. You've got a USB type C charging cable. There's no power brick in here, so you don't get a plug basically. You don't get a plug with it. So you're gonna have to connect this to a USB port right there. Don't feel the best quality on this USB type C cable. It's not a very thick one. It's not braided. It's nothing like that. That cable really is nothing special. You've got some buds here. So these are different sizes earbuds, because everyone has different size ear. Now let's have a look at these. These are parked in the box over here. Nothing else in there. So here they are. trying to work out what colour these actually are, and it's not black. If they're saying it's black, it's not black. That's almost like a silvery dark blue. And all this part around here is like rubber silicone. And there's your little cap. That's where it's going to connect, and it's got a right and a left. They're lightweight, they are light. And they feel quite nice. They do feel of good quality. They don't feel cheap or anything like that. Let's pop them in the case. There we go, one in. The little light has come on both of them, right there, so they're charging up. Now easy. Are these going to be to connect? Let's have a bit of a move the space out. Let's see. So the Bluetooth's turned on. Let's open these up. I am guessing you just press this button. One of them's flashing. Oh, they're both flashing now. Here we go. Right down the bottom. Amps air left and right. So I'm guessing you just connect to one of them, do you? Pair with Soul Amps Plus left. Okay. Do we have to pair the right one as well? Is that how it works? Oh, here we go. It's done it automatically. Pair with the right. So you put OK. So there we go, it's connected. The first time with all this sort of stuff it's always a bit of an hassle, but it is saying connected for calls and audio, 60% battery remaining. So we're going to obviously test these out, and then I'll come back and give you the final thoughts and opinions on these $179.99 Amps Air Plus from Soul Republic. So I just sum these up. I don't know, it's like the windiest day ever. Look, my hair's all swept to the side. This is a test of not only my tripod, but of that microphone up there as well that's got that dead cat on it. It's an hard one to sum up because the price they're going against, the price is against these. These are obviously the market leader in wireless earpods. That they are the Apple earpods here. Build quality of the case of this is quite nice. If you've got a pair of these, you know the build quality is quite nice. If you've got an Apple phone, they're ideal. You just put them in and you've got that toothbrush sort of look. But that's the sort of price they're going against, because you're talking, these are about, if you get the ones with a wireless charging case, these are about, I think they're anywhere from like 160 odd quid. These ones that I've lost the box, here they are. The Soul Republics, currently at the moment, because they're pretty new out, these are $179.99, so you're talking $179.99, you're talking 150 odd quid. That's the price difference we're going for. You're just going off your Bluetooth, off your phone. So what all I could do with my phone, and my phone is pretty old, I could just go to max volume and it weren't quite enough. But I'm thinking if I connected it to a computer indoors or something else with Bluetooth, the sound would be a lot loud. The sound is really good now. It is extremely well-rounded sound, like, because it ain't got a dedicated app, you can't change the bass, the triple, you can't change all your equalisations, you can't really change them unless you get a dedicated app for that, and like a different app. But Soul Republic ain't got their own app out. But the standard sound they was bringing out is actually quite nice. It's quite a nice rounded sound, well rounded. It's not over high on the bass, it's not over high on the triple, it's pretty much bang in the middle. The tapping only works, well, if you tap on your ear 3 times, then you can get noise cancellation, or you can go into ambient mode. The 3 times tap, the 2 times tap to pause seems to work every time. 3 times, sometimes it picks up that you've tapped it twice. So you have to tap it 3 times really quick to get the other couple of modes, which is the ambient sound and the noise cancellation. So you have to tap it 3 times, but sometimes when I'm tapping it 3 times, it was picking it up as me tapping it twice. So that's another slight issue. Overall, I'm going to have these ones. These are going to be my daily wireless earbuds, or whatever these things are called. They are really nice. I like the box. The box does feel really nice. It's got a nice layer of quality to it. They literally, as soon as I put it in my ear, like it's not in at the moment. This is the right one. As soon as I put it in, music's playing instant. That's playing now. Take it out. It's not playing. It's stopped. That is stopped, and my phone's in my pocket. I've got nothing on me apart from that. It's just in my pocket. Put it in. Sound's on. I would like a bit higher sound, but like I said, it could be the capability of my Bluetooth on my older sort of Samsung phone. We can show this actually here. We can actually show this. So here we go. This is what we're playing at the moment. A bit of My Chemical Romance, and I have got it on full volume. It is paused, so it's not playing at the moment. And as soon as I put this in my ear, like that, it started playing instant. Now that's really good. And I take it out, and it's paused it. So it's really good how that works. That's literally instant. As soon as you put it out your pocket or anywhere, put it in, it's working absolutely instant. And for that I like it. The build quality of these is nice. The overall build quality is nice. It has got like this rubber texture to it, and it does feel comfortable. That's one of the main things. It does feel comfortable. Don't stick out too much. Let's put them both in. It is like the windiest day ever. Here we go. They're not falling out at all. They're not falling out. Charges up nice. Nice little case. Is it worth £179.99? Probably not. I would probably say they're £100. They're £100 wireless headphones. I can't compare them against the Soul Republic Air AMPS 1 and 2 because I don't have them, so I can't compare it. Compared to these are not really for me. These are the daughter's ones. These are not really for me. They just, I don't know. I find them Soul Republic Air AMPS Plus, not 2, they're Plus. They're not 3 even, they're just Plus. To be a bit better quality than the Apple branded ones. I'm going in because it's the windiest day. If I've got to reshoot all this bit because it's too windy, I'm going to have the ump. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, there will be Amazon links to all this below.